Hi, so today we are working on a Lenovo Legion 5 15ACH6H ACH6H. Here's the board. The problem with this board, customers replace screen, and after replacing the screen, this board died. After checking the board, we realized that there is a problem with the EC chip in the EC chip area. If we check the capacitors here, under the microscope, I will show you the capacitor here. They are showing they are very low in resistance. It's kind of a partial short. I'm not sure even if it's a EC or maybe something else, because it's not a short, it's partial short. So here it is showing 4 ohm, and here as well 4 ohm. So my assumption is that it is the EC chip, because they are leading all of them to the EC chip. So we're going to remove the EC chip and we're going to see what will happen. For now, I'll preheat the board so it will be easier to remove it. So here I'm going to remove this EC chip, but I'm going to apply lower melt solder, so it will be easier to remove because I don't want to destroy this board. It's unleaded solder, so with the hope that it will be easier to remove. You will need less heat. So if I need to apply less heat, it will be blessing. This is the IO chip that is already gone, so we don't really care about it. So I don't care if there is currently shorts or anything here. It's less important. The most important thing is to reduce the temperature while removing the chip. Yeah, I think it's enough. Shining good. Let me try it here as well. The idea, we don't care about the EC. We care more about the board itself that will not get damaged. So that's it. And after that, we will clean everything. I think we are good here. I'm going to come with 500 degrees. So I'm going to come here with 500 degrees, and once the chip will start moving, I'll put this in here so we will not damage the connectors. And I will need it to be like this. Yeah, we're going to need a lot of heat here. Board is very thick. Okay, almost there. The chip is out. Okay, clear it up. Like we said, we don't really care about this chip, so we're going to clean up here. Clean up the solder. And yeah, make sure that the solder is clean here. Perfect. Temperature is way lower here. We put the first solder. That's it. Now the challenge is actually to remove the other chip. There's some short here. We'll clean it and we'll make sure that it's perfectly aligned. Okay. So this one is green, this one is green. Any other shorts? No, that I can see it. Yeah. So here it looks perfect. So the challenge is to remove the other idle chip. So we're applying here more flux, a lot of flux. The board is already preheated. Yep. Just make a photo here, just for you to know what's going on. Yep. Good. We're going to remove this one and hope for the best. Maybe I'll remove it like this now. Yep. I'm going to bend it a little bit more here, maybe. And let's try to remove it. Okay. That's all. This is the good chip, so we will have to think about the chip first in order to load the board from this. Yeah, the flux is bubbling. The chip needs to move. It's a thick board. It'll suck a lot of heat. Even that the board is preheated. This is not going to come out easy now. Okay, the chip is out. Okay, let's put it in there. On the other board. Take off the heat. Okay, so we're trying to align the legs. After that everything is aligned, what I'm going to do, I'm going to solder one side, and then I'll do the other side. Hope it will not move. If it will move, that's a problem. I have, okay, I have this one and I have some ICs to press. But before that, I will solder a few legs, one side, and then hopefully it will not move. And just to do these legs. Okay, this is soldered. And I'm going to press here. This is two. Okay. Okay. Let's go here. And we're ready. Now we're going to have to check each and every leg and see that they are soldered. That each leg is soldered. Good, 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 good. All the legs are soldered. No shorts. No short. Good. Yes, on the legs seems to be good. This one I think. Yep. This one I got soldered. Good. Solid. Yep. I think we're good. We're going to test it and see if this will work. Let's see here. Solid. Legs are solid. Solid leg. Yep. Actually, the job is successful. So we're going to test and see. Okay, so this one 4 ohm. As you can see, this capacitor is 4 ohm. This capacitor is okay, but we are still having low resistance here, and maybe here as well. No, not this one, but we still have short on one of the capacitors. So in this case, it's likely to be a chipset problem. There's no point continuing. Anyway, we tried. We gave it our best shot, and yeah, sadly, this one is still, we still have short here in the line. 4.4 ohm is way too low, and it's likely to be from the chipset, because here, as you can see, the legs are connected properly and we don't have anything that is shorting. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's not a successful repair, but at least a successful replacement of an IO chip. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.